Hello everyone! I'm AYANA, a Vtuber. Today I'll explain how to set the mapping. Let's begin! Let's start! Mapping here refers to pasting a texture on an object. The way textures are applied depends on the mapping method. The best texture to see how the textures are mapped is this color grid. First, I'll explain how to apply color grid. I'll paste the color grid on this cube and sphere object. Add an image texture node to the default node and connect it to the base color of the principled BSDF node. This time, click New instead of Open. In Generation Type, change to Color Grid. Click OK. Create a similar node for the other object. Do the same thing until the image texture node has been added or connected. Click here. Apply the created texture. You can also copy and paste the node by Ctrl+V. A color grid texture has been applied. Press Shift+A to add input. Texture coordinate. This is the added node. As you can see, this node has no input and this node is the starting point for building a node. Let's connect the output of the texture coordinate node to the vector of the image textures node. The role of the texture coordinate node is to determine the coordinate when mapping the texture. Let's see how it is. First, use the automatically generated coordinate. Next, use UV expanded coordinates. I'll explain UV mapping in the next time. Also, if you do not use texture coordinate node, these coordinates will be used automatically. With the window coordinate, the texture is applied so that it's always towards the front of the window screen. Next, I'll explain how to use the mapping node. Press Shift+A to choose vector and then mapping. Insert the added mapping node between the texture coordinate node and the image texture node. The role of the mapping node is to adjust the location, rotation, and scale with coordinates set in the texture coordinate node. Let's actually see it. Adjust the location in the X direction. Adjust the position in the Y direction. Rotate it with the Y axis. Adjust the scale with respect to the Y direction. This is the end of the explanation on how to set the mapping. How is everyone doing? Did you understand today's lecture? If you found today's lecture useful, please subscribe. If you have any requests, please let us know in the comments below. See you again in the next lecture. See you soon. Bye.